Come back to part 2. This is part 2. That was last part 1. Because we back to part 2. And I don't know why I shooted part 1 and part 2. Because these part 1 and part 2 are very... Part 1 are like... Part 1 is like... little difficult to shoot, bro. Not difficult to, like, I have to talk with my friends. I met some people, so I told I'll do it after. So I shoot it part 2. I don't think so. We're going here. These are good nature, and my brother is already over there. Can you see him? Oh, I slipped. Can you see here? Green shirt. He's over there. You can see over here. Oh my god, this is pretty high. Wow, wow, these. See this. See this thing. This coming from there is like beautiful. You can see this beautiful nature over here. So good. You can see. Wow, this is I'm seeing for the first time. This is so good. You can see this over here. So good. Wow, I imagine if I live here. See over here. Oh, my brother is going so fast. Okay, let me run. I'll pause. I cannot reach him. He's so fast. And see this beautiful thing here. I'm little scared over here. Some snakes or something. If some snakes or something come, I'm a bit scared. Whoa, whoa. I'm scared of this. I'm scared of this. Ah. Oh, look this snake's house. You can see here. I can't go near it. I'm a bit scared. You can see. I'll zoom it. You can see those are the snakes. I'm pretty scared over here. You can see this beautiful view. Go back, you can see them. I don't know why they're going so slow they're coming. I don't know why. And my brother is making me urgent to come over there. I don't know why. Wow, see this tree. Look at this tree. It's so beautiful. Oh, where are we going now, right now? Okay. Oh, my brother is over there, literally. Okay, let me go there. Look at the tree. They have cut that down. Look at the tree. They have cut that down. Whoa, where are we going? Oh, my brother sat down. Oh, wow. Oh, my gosh. This is very... Oh. Whoa! Finally, I reached down there. Wow! I can see this beautiful view. It's really cool. I like this beautiful view. You can see this over. See this? It's so good. Hey! See, my brother is doing something naughty work. Oh. This is the beautiful view which I got. Where's the bird? Oh, I can see one bird over there. Can you see that? Oh, it went away. So good. My sisters are still coming over there. She is Sweta. He is Subramanya. Okay, they're coming right to me. Okay, wait 1 second. Hey! He is so tall. Okay. And hello. They're my sisters.
Hi.
She is my mother. Hi. My sister. And these are so good. See this. Again those birds came over there. Let me go shoot it. I cannot see it. I don't know what birds are there. Let me see that over there. I don't know what bird is that. See this. You can see this right here.
Yeah.
See this.
How it is growing this
Hey!
rice, Gotham?
Oh, see this wheat over here.
Okay. Suddenly video.
See this wheat over here. It's very cool. From this we make rice. And my brother doing naughty works here. See, he's laughing. He's doing naughty works. Okay. Hey, tell hi. Hi. He's my brother. He's doing naughty works. See here. We'll go there. We'll go there over there. No,
Just go near, no?
okay, wait.
It's no near. Go.
I can't go there.
Come. ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗೋ ಏನಾಗಲ್ಲ ಲೋಗೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಕ್ಕೋ ಹತ್ರ ತಕ್ಕೋ ಅತ್ತೇನೆ ಹೇಗಿದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ತಕ್ಕೋ
See this.
ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ ಮೊಸರು ಅದ ನೇಮ್
See this. Wait, it grows like this. Come, we'll go to the next place. We are going to the next place right now. Okay. This beautiful nature. So good. Oh, he's so tall. He's literally like 6. Hey! He's literally like 6. He's literally like 6 feet. Hello! And my sister's taking picture over here. And my brother doing naughty works. And see this tree, coconut tree.
Hey, Gautam, come. I want to eat this one.
Huh? Where did you get that from?
Magic money.
Hey, where did you get that from? See my mother. He bought this apple from there. This is very. Let me run. Father's overtaking over here. Let me run. See this.
మేమేమో చేసుకుంటాం పోతుడు ఉంటుడో మాకు తెలియదు ఇది మొక్కలు ఎరువులేసే పండుగ అది తప్పు ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ ఉండకూడదు ఇదే మొక్కలు
Wow. See this beautiful nature. There is nothing except trees, plants. Oh. See this beautiful rock. I'm gonna sit on it. See this. Oh, oh. See this roots growing. See this plant. See, these plants are so beautiful, still growing. I got these plants. See this. Where is the snake? Oh yeah, snake house. We found another nearest snake house, which we are going now. I'm pretty scared. These. Whoa! Ow. Oh. Yeah. See this snake house. See this wheat. It's going here. See.
ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನದ ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊರ ಹತ್ರ
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ
ತೆಗಿಬೇಕು ನೀನು
ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು ಇದೆಂಗ ಏನು
ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕೇಳಿ ನೀನು ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಕೇಳಬೇಕು
The uncle.
ಈಗ 4 ತಿಂಗಳದಪ್ಪ
ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಷ. It is 4 months.
ಅವಾಗ ನೀನು ಹೇಳೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗೆ
It is 4 months. ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. It is 4. I found another snake house.
Yes.
See? Oh, these faces. See this, bro. How many wheats are growing? This is also wheat only. They have grew it here like this before. They have grown it there. This is a good farming video. Oh my god, my brother is so far away from me. I'm literally zooming like 4x. Oh, my brother is calling me over here. Let us go see what he has. Get it over here. See this. This is the wheat. Wheat or rice? This is the rice, not wheat, sorry. My brother found another wheat or rice, whatever it is. These are very hard way, and there are, if you come with no slippers, then it. My brother is getting some rice. He is getting some rice. What is this?
Don't know.
Oh. He got something. He doesn't know what is it. I don't know what he bought. Whoa! See this. Harmful way. What the hell is this? See how many webs are over here. I don't know what is this thing. I think the bugs all made them. They're looking like so scary. And where's my brother? I can't even see him. My green color. Wow, he is over there. We have to go there. He is very fast actually. He won't see anything. He'll just be walking around. See my brother doing naughty work. Oh, I have to run now. Ah! Whoa! Oh, I fell. Oh, I didn't fall. I was joking. Ha! This is very cool. Ah! Hey! Got hurt very badly. See my brother doing naughty work. I don't know how many times I'm telling this. Hey, stop putting to the camera. We are heading towards the tree to sit sometime. We have traveled so much. My legs are paining literally. Come, we go to the. See this thing? I don't know. We found some flowers. We got these.
See this.
See this, all these things. And that is. See the beautiful nature. Hey, we'll go. He's sitting on the tree literally. We'll go to the tree now. I'm rushing to go to the tree. Oh. They come from this side. See, my sister's still over there. Come right here. Right here. Okay. See, he's sitting above the tree. Well, let me go to the tree. Hey, help me to get up. Let me go. Hey. Let me go. It's fine.